If you find an article that you would like to save and refer to later, you can send it to your Google Drive. It is very quick and very easy and very helpful. To do this, you need to go to the Tools section. It is on the right-hand side of your screen. Go down to where it says Send to Google Drive. Click here. And you'll see a pop-up box that says that your document has been sent to Google Drive. Click OK. And to get back to that article at a later time, go to Google, go to the waffle on the right-hand side, go down to the triangle that says Drive, click. Now if you go down to your folder section, you're going to notice that you have a Kids Infobit folder. It is bright orange. Click here. And you'll see the baby chick article. Can be retrieved by clicking on it. And here I go. The article, I don't have to go back into Gale and research everything. I have it right here in front of me.